Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lumwell. Got another stock here called ADUR Aduro Clean Technologies Inc. This is compliments of Mike in our trading club. He posted this chart and I looked at it and said that's a really good setup, and missed it myself because I've been bogged down on some projects and haven't had an opportunity to go through as many charts as I normally go through, but this is a really good setup. Got good cycles, good momentum, good price squeeze, good price range, etc. So we'll break it down here in a minute when we come back. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahunatradingclub.club/lingo. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bigkahunatradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Okay, taking a look at the current market rating, we still have an A+, but we have reasons to be very cautious. We have a retest of support right at the 10 MA. I'll show you that here in a second. But current market rating A+ with little bit of caution. The reason why is we have a shakeout to the Dow Jones 30. We have a shakeout to the 45,000 area, right back at that 10 MA. It's just hanging on to that 10 MA very tightly, and so we need to pop pretty quick off of that. We're retesting the prior price ceiling as potentially a floor now, so we do need some progress on that pretty quickly. So it is a little bit, you want to watch it carefully next few days, especially since there's some things going on with the tariff, geopolitical stuff, Russia, China, and tariffs around this Ukraine war situation. So be very cautious and keep an eye on the overall markets. Okay, here's the cycle breakdown again. We have off of the IPO back in 2021, we had three key cycle lines. We had a TY-1 first cycle line, and that resolved in late 2024. Then we had a TM7 set, so another key IPO cycle. That broke out in early 2025, actually 2024, and retested in early 2025. We got a really good sharp move off of that. Let me look at the BMI on that. Let's see here. A couple 100% out of that trough. And you know, the key cycle line I'm working with right now is a 3.5 year. It's a TY-2 cycle, and that's the primary cycle, the dominant cycle. And so we got outside of that, and now we have really good price action in the PBC zone. We have a, off of this pivot right here, we have a TM1. We have had no close below the first initial wave down, and you see over here there's no closes below that, so you have a cycle squeeze here. Get the TM1 cycle, dominant cycle in the PBC zone, and we also have the $10 psychological price point right there. It's trying to bounce off of, so looks like there's a pretty good chance of that holding and heading back up. Again, really strong BMI, and if you look at the overall cup BMI, close to 200%, a little bit short of that, but you know, if it produces the same over here, it could be a $30 plus stock. Sometimes it will produce 200% easily out of the PBC zone pullback, which is at that 1250 PPP. That would take it to upper 30s too if it did that, and be a couple 100% plus. We have blue sky territory from this PBC zone. There's no price action above this area over here, so good chance it'll slice through that like butter once it gets going. So when we get back, I'll go ahead and break down some potential price targets based on cycles. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahunatradingclub.club/lingo. Okay, looking at some potential price targets based on the cycles and the price points, etc. We have a TM2 cycle off of lows. It's about a 3.5 month cycle. And the north channel of that's around 18 bucks. So if it hit that, be good 70 or 80% off of that. And the TM3 X channel, 24 bucks. It'd be a good 100% if it hit that channel line. And the 2X channels around 30 bucks. That would be close to 200% if it hit that. And you know, the way price action is and the momentum in the base, etc., pretty good chance of it doing, you know, at least that 24, 25 line. And again, as I mentioned, if it gets outside this PBC zone and comes through some momentum, really good chance of getting 200% out of that PBC zone breakout. That would take it to 24, 36, upper 30s potentially on it. Again, blue sky, good reason to think it might do so. Good cup base BMI too. So good overall looking chart. Again, it's ADURO, Clean Technologies Inc. And I'd probably score the stock rating around 87, 88 on it. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.